Aldous Anadong and Mark Anadong. And today is the 4th, Tuesday the 4th of February 2025. It's raining.
March.
March. What did I say?
February.
Oh, I mean March. March 25, 2020. It's March. It's March. It's March 4th.
Did you know it was March?
Tuesday, March 4th, 2025. And it's raining cats and dogs. This is Highway 19 in Minnesota. This is outside of Northfield. And so it's been raining since we stopped in Lake City. Lake City, Minnesota, to film a couple of birds on the lake, on the Lake Pippin, and that part of the lake was partially frozen. And there's a couple of bald eagles. And then what happened? By the time we get in the car and start driving, then that's what happened. This started raining cats and dogs. It's like raining cats and dogs. You could see the raining. It's been raining since then, and it keep on raining since then. So it's been raining ever since then. Cats and dogs. Or maybe it's raining snow leopards. Or maybe it's raining elephants. Maybe it's raining lion, African lion, and African kangaroo.
God. African kangaroo? You would have invented a new species.
There's African elephant, African giraffe, African lion, and African kangaroo. And here we are approaching Northfield, Minnesota. And right here, see if it's pictures on the thing. Couldn't see good, but oh well.